Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.4, Problem 28. This is Section 3.4, Problem number 28. It says a box of galvanized screws costs $7.69. How much would it cost to purchase 8 boxes of screws? So, the price per box is $7.69, and you multiply times 8 because you'll buy 8 of those boxes. So that's the multiplication that we need to do. So, again, if you have a calculator, you can just enter it in the calculator that way. But if you're going to compute it by hand, I prefer to write it going up and down or vertically. 7.69 times 8, like that. So to do this, initially just ignore the decimal. Multiply 769 times 8, no decimal. And then once you get the answer, put the decimal in where it goes. So 8 times 9 is 72. Write the 2, carry the 7. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 plus 7 more is 55. Write the 5, carry the other 5. 8 times 7 is 56. 56 plus the 5 more that you carried is 61. So without the decimal, I'd have an answer of 6,152, but I have to put the decimal in. So go to the question, count how many places after the decimal in the question. 1, 2, 2 places after the decimal. So your answer must have the same number of places after decimal too. So go in 1, 2. So that would put the decimal point between the 1 and the 5, making 61.52. Now again, because my question involves some type of units of measure, in this case dollars, I can't just state a raw number with no units. My answer really is $61.52.